Good morning all. Welcome to this BMC video on Netflix. How Netflix using the entire world, how by the customers. So we are going to discuss in this video about the BMC video on how the subscription model, how this model using in the Netflix. At the year of 1977, we have the founded this Netflix by the USA, California, the country of USA. By the Reed Hastings and more things, we have the Netflix. So next we having the going to discuss how this model using the entire world based upon the user by the entire more than 190 countries using the globally by over the internet. So it can be given from the idea how business model of this Netflix is, how the DVD supplying to the customer in the earlier days. From that idea taken and the videos will be streaming in the Netflix. So based upon this, we are going to discuss how the Netflix using the business model canvas. So let's discuss here.
So I will start with business model canvas, which is known as BMC. The BMC stands for management tools used in describe as company creators and deliveries and capture values. They are 9 building blocks. They are custom segments, value positions, channels, customer relationship, and renewal streams and key resources, key activities, key partnerships, cost structures. These are the 9 building blocks of BMC.
Okay. So let's have the customer relationship with Netflix. We can have the different relationship. Next we have discussed how the customer relationship with Netflix in the entire world, how the users getting the relationship with the Netflix. Let's discuss.
Here we are seeing the customer segment Netflix serves individual and families, young adults and students, global audiences, mobile users, and smart TV users. It targets customer who wants on-demand entertainment, ad-free viewing, flexible subscription plans. Netflix offers different pricing plans for different users groups.
Yeah. Okay. You are telling that we have the different point of customers will be there. So based upon the subscription, we can alert the videos based upon their package what they are choosing. So the interested based can be streamed to their mobile phone, right? So let's discuss the next thing, value proposition of the Netflix. Let's start the value proposition, how it's connected with Netflix. Can you share your point?
The value proposition Netflix provides unlimited streaming of movies and series, high quality original content Netflix originals, ad-free experience in most plans, multi-device access, personalized recommendations using AI. The biggest value is watch anytime and anywhere.
Your point is personalized recommendation based upon the interest. My interest will be crime movies. That kind of movies will be listed for me. So comedy movies is your interest means that kind of videos will be streamed in the dashboard. Will be we can able to see that kind of videos. That's your point, I think. So as per that point, let's have the things. What are the channels? What kind of modes and channels used for Netflix? Can you share your point?
Netflix delivers a service through Netflix website, apps, and watching TVs, tab and laptops, gaming consoling. They offered monthly package and yearly package to the families with time.
Okay, your point is the packaging and mobile phones and the different kind of TV channels, right? So these kind of platforms can be used to in the Netflix. So let's have the
Even though Netflix is a self-running and cloud storage company,
Okay.
it is not not running alone.
Yeah,
It
okay.
has some main key partnerships, including with the movie producers
Okay.
and content creators and such things like that. Netflix also provide music creators also.
Okay.
And cost structures. Major cost structures of Netflix are mainly known for server deploying and advertisement creating.
Okay. Your point of view is cost structure and
partnerships of the Netflix.
what you tell music kind of things. What is that?
So it partnerships with many music directors, film directors and content creators.
Okay, let's have the conclusion here. So we are how the Netflix using the business model canvas for their business growth, and also it is a kind of innovation, quality content, and also global reach. That's the best thing in our Netflix success, right? So from that we can conclude Netflix is using the most storage will be in the cloud storage, right? So it will be stored in the somewhere, and we can use in our mobile phones and TVs without using our storage, right? So that's a major success for the Netflix for the entire global reach. Thanks for thank you all.